In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background blur in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, mastering this simple technique can elevate your designs to a more professional level. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Figma account. Head over to figma.com/login. If you're not already logged in, you can easily use your Gmail account or opt for your own email and password to access your projects. Once you're in, open Figma and select the file you want to work with. This step is essential as identifying the correct file is key to applying the correct edits. Once you have your file open, it's time to select the layer on which you'd like to apply the blur effect. Whether it's a rectangle, an image, or a frame, having the correct layer selected is crucial. Ensuring that you select the right object will help you achieve the desired effect seamlessly. Now, direct your attention to the right sidebar of Figma. This is where a wealth of design tools await you. Within this sidebar, locate the Effects section. This is your gateway to a variety of options that can transform your design. In the Effects section, you'll want to look for the drop-down menu. It's here that you'll find the Background Blur option. By clicking on it, you're choosing to apply a blur effect that is specific to the background of your selected layer. This nifty tool allows the background to become subtly or prominently blurred depending on your needs. Adjusting the blur value is where you can really fine-tune your design. Click on the effect settings icon, usually depicted as a gear or cog icon. This will allow you to see a slider that lets you increase or decrease the intensity of the blur effect. It's a good idea to experiment with the slider to find the perfect balance that suits your design vision. If after applying the blur you find it's not as noticeable as you'd like, consider adjusting the opacity of the layer or fill. Sometimes the blur might not stand out if the layer is too opaque. By lowering the opacity to around 10–20%, you can make the blur effect more pronounced, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your design. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a background blur in Figma. By incorporating this technique, you can add depth and focus to your projects, making your designs stand out. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found these steps straightforward and helpful. Happy designing!